Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best kitchen faucets of 2026. The stylish and functional upgrades that make washing dishes, filling pots, rinsing produce, and everyday cleanup effortless and enjoyable. Whether you're remodeling a modern farmhouse kitchen, upgrading a compact apartment sink, dealing with messy hands from cooking, or wanting reliable pull-down convenience with strong spray power, these faucets stand out for durable construction, easy installation, spray modes, finish quality, and leak-free performance. We'll explore features like high-arc design, magnetic docking, flow rate, single-handle control, and user-tested reliability to suit your style and budget. Check the description for latest prices and deals. Let's flow into it. The Sobeys kitchen faucets with pull-down sprayer brings solid value and commercial-inspired design for versatile daily use. This high-arc stainless steel model features a flexible pull-down sprayer with multiple modes: stream, spray, sometimes pause, 360 degrees swivel for full sink coverage, lead-free construction, and brushed nickel finish that resists fingerprints. The ergonomic single-handle controls temperature smoothly, while the retractable hose offers good reach without sagging. Users appreciate the easy DIY installation, often under 30 minutes, sturdy feel for the price, and powerful spray for cleaning pots or veggies. Some mention occasional minor drips over time or preferring stronger magnets. But for budget-friendly durability in kitchens, RVs, or laundry areas with modern appeal, Sobeys provides reliable performance and convenience. Next, the Delta Essa brushed nickel kitchen faucet offers premium engineering and sleek Euromodern styling for sophisticated sinks. With Delta's Diamond Seal technology for leak-free longevity, magnetite magnetic docking that snaps the sprayer securely, Touch 2.0 options in some variants for hands-free activation, and high-arc pull-down head with multiple sprays, it delivers smooth operation and strong water pressure. The Arctic stainless or brushed nickel finish resists spots, while the single-handle design fits 1 to 3 hole setups. Reviewers love the intuitive touch feature for messy tasks, durable build that lasts years, and elegant curve enhancing any countertop. It's pricier with potential electronic quirks in touch models, but for trusted brand quality, innovative convenience, and flawless docking that keeps things tidy, Delta Essa elevates everyday functionality. The Oafan kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer stands out with its industrial spring spout and flexible performance for bold, contemporary kitchens. This stainless steel high-arc faucet includes a coiled spring neck for extra reach, dual-mode sprayer, stream and powerful spray, 360 degrees rotation, and often brushed nickel or matte black finishes that hide water spots. The single-handle control is responsive, with easy retraction and good flow even in low-pressure homes. Users rave about the professional look transforming farmhouse or modern spaces, strong spray blasting stuck food, quiet operation, and simple installation. Minor notes include hose weight needing adjustment or spring stiffness initially, but for eye-catching design, versatile reach in large sinks, and robust daily use at a mid-range price, Oafan adds flair and power. The Faucets kitchen faucets with pull-down sprayer delivers clean lines and practical features for efficient, no-fuss upgrades. Crafted from stainless steel with high-arc gooseneck, pull-down head offering stream/spray/pause modes, ceramic cartridge for drip-free smoothness, and finishes like brushed nickel resisting corrosion. It fits 1 to 3 holes with included deck plate, provides excellent swivel range, and often includes anti-drip aerators. Reviewers highlight the strong pressure for rinsing, easy one-handed operation, spot-resistant surface staying clean longer, and value rivaling higher brands. Some experience hose retraction issues over time or prefer more modes. But for straightforward reliability, modern minimalism, and versatile tasks from filling tall pots to gentle veggie washing, Faucets offers impressive quality and ease. Finally, the Wiwi single-handle kitchen faucet earns top honors as the ultimate budget champion with surprising premium feel and versatility. This tulip-shaped high-arc pull-down features 3 modes: stream, spray, sometimes sweep, 360 degrees swivel spout, retractable hose with counterweight for smooth pull, lead-free stainless steel, and brushed nickel finish that's fingerprint resistant. The single lever handle adjusts effortlessly, installation is beginner-friendly, pre-installed lines, and it fits most sinks seamlessly. Thousands of users praise the strong magnetic-like retraction, or weight system, powerful yet controlled spray, leak-proof longevity, and how it outperforms expectations for the cost. It's lighter than luxury brands with occasional hose kinks noted, but for exceptional value, Reliable daily performance, easy cleanup, and stylish upgrade that feels high-end, WeWe reigns as the best overall. That wraps up our top 5 best kitchen faucets of 2026. From the versatile Sobeys kitchen faucets with pull-down sprayer, premium Delta ESA brushed nickel kitchen faucet, industrial Oafan kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer, practical Faucets kitchen faucets with pull-down sprayer, to the value-packed WeWe single-handle kitchen faucet. There's a perfect flow for every sink, style, and task. Which one will refresh your kitchen routine? Comment below. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for more home upgrades, and check the description for deals. Thanks for watching.